taxes done.
Which is
Get your taxes
this
before.
time. Not
Order and
sleep.
when you want
I
what you
can't
have
read that word.
and what they have, you can stop staring. The answer to order engine is here. Introducing the new $1 double stack tacos. Spicy sweet, nacho crunch, and cool habanero. It has everything you got with everything they got. $1 double stack tacos, 2 flavors stacked together.